Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm unboxing my May Essential Rewards order. I'm filming in a new spot today. I finally got my desk. This is my desk behind me and my oil shelves. Done-ish. I know I'll probably still change or add something, but I used to have a little shelf right here with all my oils and they were like spilling out, so I had to do something different. So we just made these, just like a piece of wood and a bracket, and that's it. But I love it, so let me know if you guys like it. Anyways, I'm excited to open my box. We've kind of already dug into it because the girls were excited and we were excited and we got it a few days ago, but I am excited to share what we got this month. It's a good one. We were at the 190 tier. So if you're not familiar with Essential Rewards, there are just different, it's a monthly order, monthly subscription that you customize based on what you need that month. And you can choose any of Young Living's products or most of them. And you just pick what you need. So there are different tiers for different rewards. So basically the more you spend, the more you get for free. And we usually just do 100, which gets free shipping. But we did 190 this month, so we got a couple of free oils, so I'm excited. Oh, I was going to share the rest of the rewards because we didn't get all of them, so I wanted to just let you guys know what they were. So for 100, where did it go? For 100 PV, you get free shipping every month. That never changes. But then once you reach 190, and PV equals dollars, basically. It's very close. So 190 you get Acceptance and Envision oils, which those are the two that I got. 250 PV you also get Valor plus everything else I already mentioned. 300 PV you also get Highest Potential oil, essential oil, which I have heard so much about and I haven't had the opportunity to smell that one yet. Then the next tier is 400 PV, and if you spend that much you also get all of those oils plus Motivation Essential Oil. I share all of these on my Instagram. If you're not following me there, you guys should. And kind of just some more tips and tricks there too. So anyway, here, oh my gosh. Okay, here's my box. We got a big box this month. Okay, I'll just start with the heaviest so I can get it out of here. This is a repurchase. I think we got this last month. It was within the last 2 months. Drop the box. This is Ningxia Zing. So it's basically Ningxia meets energy drink. It's a really, really yummy. It kind of reminds me of the sugar-free Red Bulls, but so much better for you. It's just a little can of an energy drink. It has natural energy, I believe. Let's see. I will try to put a little clip or a little thing here with more information, but it's a light sparkling beverage that delivers a splash of hydrating energy with a unique flavor experience. It is very unique. It's so good though. I love it. It's sweet, but it also has black pepper, so it kind of has that going for it, and it's, love it. Obviously we repurchased. Okay, next is another Ningxia product. I have used this before multiple times. Ningxia is just a little bit pricey, so we don't get it consistently, I would say, but we do get it whenever we can because we love it. This is Ningxia Nitro. So this is a little bit different. This has some different ingredients. And it is not, obviously not a carbonated little drink. It comes in a different container. I'll try to open these for you. Chris just started CrossFit again, so I got this kind of like a pre-workout for him. It's like this, so it's a little shot that you can just directly drink from here, or you can mix it in with a different drink. You can mix it with sparkling waters or anything you want, really. I just like drinking it from this. It's very tasty, but it gives you that boost, and it's also, it supports cognitive, and so it's a little bit different in that aspect. But again, I will put like a little thing here with more information and just kind of the different ingredients from this. Ningxia is amazing. It's super high in antioxidants, so it's just really good for immune. But when you mix it with all these other things and these different products, you get so many other benefits. So we love it. Here, I'll set the other thing up here too. There we go. Okay. So far, Ningxia stuff. Next is a couple of kids products, and they already got into these because they love them so much, and I love that too because it's so important. These are probiotics. If you haven't done research on probiotics or you're not taking one yet, I highly encourage you to do that, especially for kids. It's so beneficial. The brain and the gut are linked, and the gut is actually sometimes known or called the second brain. It's just so, it has to do with almost everything in our body. So these are probiotics. They come in little like things like this, kind of like pixie sticks, but so much better for you. Obviously, this is pro and prebiotic supplement, which those are different and they work together to work their best, and they taste good. These are also good for adults too, and just traveling, or if you just want to take your probiotics like this, I don't know. So we buy those. We might be doing every month now because the girls both love them. Okay, next is the other product for the girls. This is the bath gel. This is from the Kid Sense line. So it has some essential oils, and then the rest of it is just a clean bath gel base. It has, let's see what the scent is, tangerine, lemon, kiwi, fruit extract, and cucumber fruit extract, and it smells good. We put it in a foaming pump, so we just put a couple of tablespoons into a foam pump, and it makes it a foaming one, obviously, and it lasts a little longer. It smells so good and fresh. I actually don't know if we've gotten this one before. I think we get the shampoo normally. But anyways, love this. They have a bunch of different kids line. They have shampoo, like I said, and I think that one's more of a lavender scent. The bath gel, they have also seedlings line, which is more for babies versus bigger kids, but everything is so good and smells so good, and it's just, all of it is clean, so you don't have to worry about all of the bad icky products or ingredients going on your baby's skin. Okay, next is a supplement, and I forgot to put another one in my order this month. I'm also in need of Super B, but this is Super C. So it's a blend of different vitamins, but mostly vitamin C, obviously. It has vitamin C, calcium, zinc, and manganese. Manganese? I do not know how to pronounce that. And then it has proprietary Super C blend, which is a bunch of different things too, like plant extracts and essential oils. So I love Young Living supplements. They are good, they're clean, and they work. So I recently started doing Vessel, which is this little stick that you pee on or dip into a cup of urine. It's a urine test basically, and it measures different things. Vitamin C is one of them, B vitamins is another, magnesium, and just a few different things. So I did my first test and I was low in B vitamin and C. Then I started taking both of these, and now in B I was like above, I was too high, and then in C it was like perfect. So it was just a good testament to, I don't know how well the Young Living vitamins work. And I love measuring that with Vessel because you can just always know like what's going on with your body, and you can support it in the best way. It also gives you tips on there too. And most of it is dietary based tips, not just take this supplement. It's like good lifestyle and tips like that. So anyways, love Vessel. That was a sidetrack, or got sidetracked. Next I have, let's see, 3 more. Yes, so there I have 3 oils, and that completes my order. So the last thing that I ordered was Progessence Plus. Oops, it's leaking. I've already opened it. So you guys, I shared my testimony with Progessence Plus a long time ago, I think over a year ago, maybe 2 years now. But it helped me get back to balance after breastfeeding and having kids and all of that. And also just helped with my cycle and my period cramps and everything. It is so amazing. It does so many things. And has helped so many women in so many different ways. It just brings balance. It has wild yam extract, which is nature's form of progesterone. And it has a bunch of different essential oils too. And I like to put a roller top on. I roll it on my forearms or on the inner thighs once, twice a day, just depends on how much I need it. Oh, I definitely recommend getting the book Taming the Dragon Within. I think that's what it's called. And it is an essential oil book on hormones and how to regulate your cycle and regulate your hormones. It's super informative and a lot of information on this oil specifically because it is amazing. So I ran out of this for, I don't know, maybe a week or 2, and I could instantly feel a difference in just the way I was feeling. Just a little bit off, like something was off. I was a little more angry. It wasn't during my period, so nothing really was affected with that, but it was just, I could definitely tell something was off. And so this is how I use it. I usually put a roller on it, but I just put a couple drops on my forearms rub it together. It smells really good too. A lot of people just use it for the perfume aspect, but super beneficial. I would definitely look into this oil if you guys aren't familiar with it yet. Okay, last two oils were free. Just because I placed my monthly order and spent a certain amount. This is so cool. I love that they do this because these, well, Envision is one of my favorite oils actually. It's up here. But Acceptance I haven't tried yet. So it's such a good way to try different oils. Ones that you typically probably wouldn't buy because you don't know what the heck they're for. So I love that. So I will smell Acceptance and share my first impression. I haven't opened it yet. But oh my gosh, it has tons of oils in it. So these are both blends of essential oils. So they have a bunch of different oils mixed together. Coriander, sweet almond, which is the carrier oil. Geranium, bergamot, frankincense, royal Hawaiian sandalwood. I haven't tried that, but I hear so many good things about that all the time. Bitter orange, grapefruit, tangerine, spearmint, lemon, blue cypress. There are so many. Davana, kaffir, lime. I don't know what that is. Octati, jasmine, matrishari, can't pronounce that one either. Ylang ylang, blue tansy, and rose. So many good oils. Okay. That smells really good. It's super floral, kind of reminds me of Joy, but not as sweet. It smells really, really good. I love floral oils, floral scents, so I love this. I'm going to put it in my diffuser right now. That was Acceptance, and oh, the prices were on here too. So that oil was $56, $42, I guess. There's two different prices. That must be the wholesale, I'm not sure. So $42 for free. And then this one, Envision, is on here $20. So about $60 in free oils just for placing my order. And Envision is very good. It's more of a grounding oil. It's definitely not sweet and bright and floral like that one. I'm gonna read these oils for you. Ooh, this one's not unpeeling. Oh, another thing before I forget. So I placed my order, got the free stuff, plus it's just a simple way to kind of switch over your whole household to clean, natural things. But also you get points back. So for this order, specifically, I got $50 or 50 PV in my account right now, which is good because I forgot to put that B vitamin in my order, but I can just go order that for free now. It's just sitting in my account, and how cool is that? So I always say, like, Target does not do that. They don't give you money back, just points back to use towards product. Neither does Amazon. Those are the two places I shop the most, I guess. So anyways, and I'm getting on like a tangent here, but I talk about all these different essential oil brands too, because I don't think Young Living is the only awesome brand that does good things, but I don't think you can beat their rewards program. Okay, anyways, Envision Oil. In it is black spruce, geranium, orange, lavender, sage, and rose. Black spruce, geranium. Yeah, so it's more of like a woodsy. It's definitely more of a woodsy floral, like grounding oil. I love it. I like to diffuse it when I'm working. And actually, here, where is it? This one is almost gone, so I'm really excited to replace that one for free. Got it for free. Okay, I think that's it. That's all I wanted to share with you guys about my order and about essential rewards today. I know I've been chatting a little bit about the changes coming with Young Living, and they're going to be happening soon. All good. It just makes it really easy to be a customer and to order things that you want specifically. But essential rewards, that whole program is a little bit, it's like changing, just being called subscribe and save, but you're still going to get points, and it's still going to be an awesome program, rewards program. Anyways, let me know if you have questions on that though. You guys have a great day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.